viewers, mabuayers. Welcome to my vlog. I am your vlogger, Regal Teacher At this moment, on a Monday, I just like to share to you my choosing and favorite Chowking wonton noodles. Yeah, super sarap. And it's wellness in as much as I have been eating this one. And according to my laboratory result, it registered good. So no worries. Our wellness will be achieved with this kind of food. It's super delicious. Yeah, I love this one. Yeah, let's eat now. My kamawayas. Wow, super. Yeah, super delectable. I love this part. Okay, inviting everyone to join me here in Chowking, SM Icolan, Davao. This is wow. Super sarap. Yeah. I love it. Really. Okay, and the favorite noodles. Yeah. It's have a taste of this. So tasty. Yes. Really. For me, it's really ambrosia. You know, it's like food for the gods and goddesses. Okay. One for me. This is just a sample if we know how to mukbang later on, but I do not like those unhealthy food. Just wellness. Love it. Super. Tasty and delicious. Penetrating. Wow. As of now, Chowking super jam-packed with consumers. Look at my back. So that's the entrance of the mall. After this, I'm going out now, going home. Yeah. After my walking here in SM. Wow. Really. I really love this one. So let's have another one. So difficult to get the pancit over here, over there. Ouch. Okay. Let's try it. This is my first time to feature that I am eating. So let's try to